Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Down and Dirty. We're continuing the iDig series, and today we're going to talk about kind of a unique situation that I find myself in, but this is the perfect tool to have. So we have a sewer pipe or a septic pipe that is coming out of this field, and we need to maintain roughly 50 inches of cover. And so I'm trying to follow the grade roughly with the slope that the grade is, but I don't know what that slope is. Well, this system gives me a really easy way to figure that out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach out here and I'm gonna touch. And I'm just gonna touch the ground, right there. I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna select my little measuring tape, and I'm gonna start with a 0 by clicking the cluster of numbers here. It zeroes it out. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna bring it all the way down here, down the slope. And again, we're just gonna touch the ground. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change our scale here so my bucket gets out of the way. All I'm doing is scaling everything up so that my bucket gets out of the way and I can see all of my numbers. If I tap, it'll get the messiness out. Okay, now you can see it's a minus 1.4% grade. And so now what I can do is I can cap myself up here. I'm gonna click my tape measure to make it disappear. I know that this grade is running at 1.4%. So we can go up here and I can go tap out here where I know my grade is good, right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna change our slope to single slope. It's minus 1.4%, boom. I'm gonna 0, and there we go. Now I'm running at this grade 1.4%, which is going to keep me roughly in line with what the elevation of the dirt above is doing. So we're going to maintain our 50 inches of cover while also following the undulations of the grade. Really handy tool to have in the cab to be able to take those measurements and then turn around and reapply them into the system so that we can carry the grade of the existing dirt around this. Obviously, if we were to get into a hump, all I would do is I would continue my 1.4%, because overall that's keeping with the grade of the land. We'll just dig through the humps and everything, but my grade is going to continue at that 1.4%, which is what the overall grade is doing. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you just how handy this system can be in circumstances. It is such a phenomenal tool. I cannot applaud iDig enough for what they have with the features that they have put into this system. It's a really great system. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and we'll catch you on the next one.